Didn't even ask me what I wanted. You made dumb assumptions. Clearly not your forte. Clearly don't be fucking. You've been fucking me.
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, baby, yeah, I only want you.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been almost like 2 years now since my last YouTube video. Hopefully you're gonna be seeing more of me. Today is gonna be like a mini wig install, a friendly tutorial, something like that. So yeah, do not pay any attention to my broken nails. Alright, let's get right into the video. So this is a deep curly wig. It's 26 or 28 inches, something like that, because it's almost up to my back. So this is what we're going to be installing today. It's new, as you can see. The lace is not cut. So yeah, and do not forget to subscribe and comment and like my video. So guys, this is my bow cap. You need to get a bow cap which is like almost your skin color. People do wear black hairnet under their wigs, and I don't recommend that because it's going to show in your wigs, and your scalp is not black. It's not. So just look for a wig cap which is close to your skin color or something like that. And if it's not close to your skin color, you can add your foundation, put your foundation on it, and it's just gonna look like scalp. But today, as I said, it's a friendly wig tutorial. I'm not going to, cut it and make it a bow cap. Nah, we're just gonna go, something fast. Like you can just use like 5 minutes to install your wig cap. You understand? But this one is just gonna be a long something because I just want to explain into details. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. If you see me looking at this direction, the mirror is right here, so I need to fix it. Stop it.
Yeah, stop.
My only problem I have with the hair is that I wasn't able to plug it. I don't know how I'm going to plug it because it's gonna destroy the curl pattern. But I don't know. But I'm just, to be honest, I'm just feeling everything right now. It's given fullness, it's given everything. Period. I can go deep and think because that's what a motherfucking must to do. I'm kidding. First things first. So you're gonna pull your wig cap back, and you're going to be using what I'm going to be using the Wonder lace bond. Actually, I have the Got to Be and then the Wonder, but I think this one works for me more. They both work, like everything works, everything is the same, but I just love to use this one more. I don't know why. I'm just obsessed. So for my hair not to get into the way, I'm just going to clip it back with a butterfly clip. Spray this in front of your hairline. As you can see, my wig cap is covering my hairline, so in front of my hairline, that's where I'm going to be spraying this. Don't do it on your hairline, otherwise man, you're gonna go bald. For me to spread it, I do spread it with my finger. I told you there's a friendly tutorial, something like that, something simple. So guys, I forgot an important tip, and pardon me, do not come for me down the comment section because I'm about to make it right. So the most important tip is that your foundation, look for a foundation which is almost your skin color, and then put it on your lace. Just turn your lace and then put it on it. Make it even for it to match your scalp. I don't know if you get me, but I did forget this one, but do not worry, just trust the process. I'm just going to apply the foundation on top and it's still going to look like scalp, so do not worry, just trust the process. So right now I'm just letting it sit. I'm just waiting for it to melt, sit with my skin, whatever it is. And do not forget to follow your girl on Instagram at real tea. You're gonna be seeing it on your screen. But guys, I'm a makeup artist, and do not forget to follow my business page on Instagram at Face by T. Face by T. And don't forget to subscribe. Guys, this is like my pet peeve. You know, when you don't plug, it doesn't really look natural, and that's what's given. But fingers crossed. Trust the process. So guys, I'm going to cut it into 3 sections, as I said earlier. Don't mind my scissors. This is kitchen scissors, and I told you before, this is a ghetto braiding style, so don't come for me. Guys, I was going to cut it in 3 parts. I mean 2 parts. So like 3 sections, 1, 2, 3. Apply my foundation first. So I'm going to use a foundation which is like my color. So this is Zakel foundation, is my skin color, and it's in the shade 025 Mocha. If you want to purchase it, that's it. Don't mind me. It's just my sister behind the camera is just insane. That's what I told you. Trust the process. Trust the process. Am I preaching? Good. So, I told you it's supposed to look like scalp. Now you're gonna cut the lace with my kitchen scissors. Some part of the lace is raisins, so there you go back with your Wonder lace bond to make it exactly. So we're done melting, and you see everything is sitting. So we are just going to blend it to make it look like scalp. So all the white patches you see around, we're just going to make a scalp. So before I forget, this is a 180 frontal, a 26 or 28 inches. So now we go in with our baby hairs. Actually, I don't like the baby hair out, you know, we do on the forehead. I just want the side, this, like, no, this side. So that's what we're doing. For my baby hairs, this is the best, like, for your baby hairs, not for your real hair, but for like wigs and stuff like that, because those eco gel and stuff like that, it doesn't hold you down. I did my baby hairs off camera, so these are how they're looking, and this is how I love my baby hairs. I don't really like the baby hairs at the front part. I just want it on my side. And then moment of truth. What do you guys think?
Period.
Exactly. So this is what it's supposed to give. I told you, you don't need to be all professional for you to install. No, you know, just get the basic stuff and you're done. You're good to go. this is the end of the video. Hope you loved it. Let me know what you think down the comment section, and also what you love to see on my page down the comment section. If you want to see this makeup tutorial, a light makeup tutorial, let me know. Let me say an everyday tutorial, an everyday makeup look tutorial, sorry, on my page. Let me know down the comment section. I love you all. Hope you loved it. See you guys next time. Bye bye.